Hi, this is IK Tutors, and we're here to do a HESI, a high school assessment, and then a decimal section, and we're doing addition and subtraction with decimals. Okay, the requested question is question number 11, and let's jump into it. So they're asking us to subtract the following decimals. So let's start with letter A. Here we have columns of numbers all lined up. You see the decimal points are lined up. When we write, it's very important when we're adding, subtracting decimals that we line up the columns. The reason is that the place values that we're adding, subtracting must be the same for both numbers. And make sure that happens, and then they're all lined up in the right vertical columns. We just make sure we line up the decimals as we're writing the numbers. Okay? All right, so let's begin. We're going to do it column by column. So the far right column right here is 0 minus 0, which is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then finally, 0 minus 0 is 0 again. So our answer will be 0.48. Okay, that's for A. Now let's do B. Remember, we're doing column by column. The same place values are what we're subtracting here. So 0 minus 8, we cannot do that. We have to borrow one from the place value to the left. So the place value to the left is 3. We're going to borrow 1, so that's going to become 2. We're going to put the 1 there. Now we can do this. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer will be 0.012. Okay, let's do the next one. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is 0.218. Okay, the next one, D. 0 minus 2, we can't do that. So we have to go to the place value to the left. That place value is also 0, so we go to the next left. This one is 9. So we're going to borrow 1 from the 9. It's going to turn the 9 to 8. Right? So now we have 10 on this one. Now we're going to borrow 1 from this 10. It's going to turn it from 10 to 9. Now we take that 1 and turn it 1 to the right to 10. Now we can do this. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So our answer will be 0.02538. Let's do question number E. 0 minus 4, we can't do that. So we have to borrow 1 from the place value on the left. That's also 0. So we got to go to the next place value. That's also 0. So we go to the next place value. And then we have a 3. So we're going to borrow 1 from the 3. It's going to turn the 3 into 2. And this 1, now that's a 1 and 0. That's a 10. Right? They're going to borrow 1 from there. It's going to turn a 10 into a 9. And then this becomes a 10 because we're bringing 1 over there. Then we're going to borrow 1 from there. That's going to turn that 10 into 9. And then this becomes a 10. Now we can do the problem. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 2 minus 0 is 0. So our answer will be 2.046. Let's do letter F. Okay, 0 minus 2, we cannot do that. So we go to the place value to the left to borrow. We can't borrow this. That's 0. This is 0. That's 0. We finally get a 5 here. Right, we just keep going left until we can get a digit. And now we can take a 1. That becomes a 10 for us. We can borrow 1 from that 10. That becomes a 9. And the 1 goes here. That becomes a 10. We can borrow a 1 from that 10. That becomes a 9. The 1 goes here. That becomes a 10. We borrow 1 from that 10. That becomes a 9. And then the 1 goes here. Now we can do the problem. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So our answer will be 14.6958. 14.6958. Let's do letter G. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus, we cannot do that, so we have to borrow 1. So we get the 1 there from the place value on the left. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So our answer becomes 2.06. 2.06. Now we go to letter H. 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 8, we cannot do that. We have to go to the place value on the left, which is a 4, borrow 1, so the 4 becomes a 3. We bring the 1 over here. Now we can do this. 17 minus 8 is 9, and 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0, nothing. So our answer becomes 3.93. Okay, so I hope that helped. If it does, please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue providing these helpful videos, and I will see you in the next video.